Namaste. Plant micronutrients play a very important role in the nutrition of growth of the plants. To know whether the nutrients present in the soil are actually available to the crops or not, it can be only determined through the soil testing. Different micronutrients in the soil perform their functions. So, today we will discuss about calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc and manganese. Calcium strengthens the cell wall of the plants, thus making these trees stronger. Calcium also helps in the growth of the root, shoot and the formation of new roots. Calcium is necessary for the plants to absorb and transfer the nutrients in an efficient manner. Apart from this, calcium play an important role in the many enzyme activities and biological processes. Magnesium. Magnesium is the main component of the chlorophyll, hence it is very essential for the process of food production, that is photosynthesis in the plants. They helps in the energy production and various biological processes in the plants. Due to the magnesium, many enzyme activities remains active and proper balance of the nutrients is maintained. Therefore, magnesium plays an important role in the growth of the production of the plants. Copper. Copper is an essential micronutrient for the plants. Copper participates in many enzyme processes and helps in the metabolic processes of the plants. Copper play an important role in the photosynthesis and the respiration process. Therefore, copper is suitable for the plant growth and flower formation and increasing the immunity of the plants. Iron. Iron is an important micronutrient for the plants. It is play an important role in the process of chlorophyll formation. Iron is essential for many biological processes such as photosynthesis, respiration and energy production. Therefore, iron is an important for many enzyme function and the overall growth of the plants. Zinc. Zinc is an important micronutrients for the plants. They help in the production of hormones that control the growth of the plants. Zinc plays an important role in the process of protein formation, enzyme activity and food production. Therefore, zinc is essential for the shoot growth, yield and rachis formation. Manganese is an essential trace element for the plants. Manganese helps in keeping many enzymes active. Therefore, manganese is essential for the nitrogen metabolism and overall growth of the plants. Therefore, to know exact soil micronutrients, they are tested at Anand BioChem Research and Development Center Private Limited with the help of advanced equipments and proven scientific methods. Get your soil micronutrient tested today with a reasonable rate, perfect diagnosis and authentic consultation. Thank you.